Want free DraftKings rewards? Refer friends and earn bonuses fast. Both refer and friend can earn deposit matches and credits. Eligibility depends on state, age, and account verification. Check terms. Open the DraftKings app, tap your profile, then refer a friend. Copy your unique referral link and send it by text or email. Have your friends sign up through the link and complete the required deposit. Once conditions are met, rewards post to both accounts and bonuses. Example offers: 100% deposit match up to $100 or $50 site credit. Tip: explain the steps to your friend to speed approval. Recap: share your link, friend signs and deposits, then claim rewards. Ready to earn? Open DraftKings now, send your link, and collect rewards. Subject to DraftKings terms, eligibility, and regional restrictions. Must be 21 plus. See DraftKings.com for full terms.